welcome back to the channel. It's officially fall season and time to spice up our homes, and today we're going to be cleaning and decorating my bedroom, living room and bathroom to bring in that warm and cozy atmosphere that fall brings. Hope you enjoy. I mean, what is fall season without the smell of pumpkin spice, cinnamon, caramel, all those good smell, guys? But first things first, we're gonna go ahead and clean, because apart from spring, I also love to kind of look for all those things that I wasn't able to do during the spring season, and then I just carried over to fall. And I've actually been procrastinating. I've been saying that I was gonna clean, my sofa, the fabrics to my sofa, and I wasn't able to do it this spring. I did my curtains, I did my rug this spring, but for fall, I decided to go ahead and do it. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and kind of undressed all the cushions on my sofa, and over here I'm gonna just go ahead and add it to my washing machine, quickly wash it, dry clean it, whatever. But this actually is, it's a very good way to introduce the new season. I feel like just cleaning and decorating, it's always something that it's always something I look forward to, especially when you love, making your home look really, really nice and livable and, warm and cozy. Always switching things up during, seasons. It's always a very good idea, which is something that I absolutely love, from fall to winter, which is Christmas, to spring, to summer. I always love to go ahead and refresh my home and decorate. So of course, once we went ahead and put the cushion covers on, inside the washing machine, I went ahead and just vacuumed off the cushion, because as you guys could see, the sofa had a lot of particles, cookie crumbs from the kids, and it's always a mess in here, guys, whenever we're spending time in here. I know sometimes it looks as if, we don't spend time in here, but this living room is always a mess. Like 99.9% of the time. It's just that when when the kids finish using it, I just go ahead and clean it up, or the twins go ahead and clean it up to make sure they keep the the living room clean. But yeah, once in a while I love to bring out my special time to deep clean. So that is basically what we are doing today. I also went ahead and cleaned up the furnitures in the living room, from the coffee table to the console table to the end table to the mirrors, and then of course over here, as you guys know, this is like the hallway leading into my living room. So I decided to also go ahead and vacuum that, and then over here I'm going ahead to clean the mirrors, clean the console table, and yeah. By now the cushion covers are ready. I wish it's this fast, guys. You see how under 2 minutes the whole thing is already done? That's the power of editing. Because this literally took over maybe like an hour for it to for me to clean it and also dry it up. But yep, as you guys can see over here, I went ahead and put back the cushion covers, and then I went ahead and added my decorative pillows. When we're talking of home decor, home decoration, interior pillows, like they add such a cozy and warm feel to any space. I love pillows on my bed. I love pillows in my couch and all those good stuff. And then of course over here I'm going ahead to decorate my coffee table. I added some pumpkin accents. Like what is fall without some fresh pumpkins? Or you can just use the like the decorative accents and pumpkins, which is usually what I go for. But I know a lot of people that go for like the fresh pumpkins. But anyways, guys, I went ahead and also decorated my console table. Just make everywhere look nice and beautiful.
I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey.
Of course, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below, guys. Like I always say, it really helps us out to know which videos you guys enjoy. And of course, like I always do, everything is gonna be linked in my description box. If there's anything you see in my home you're interested in, from the console table to the coffee table to the pillows to the decor items, anything, guys, everything is always linked in my description box. So definitely try and check that out. Like I make everything so easy for you. Once you see anything you like, just go to the description box. Be sure that everything is linked there. But anyways, guys, as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to decorate my entryway. And did you guys notice that this year was all about browns for me? Oh my gosh, I was just like craving browns, you know, for my decor this year. Usually I would go with maybe burnt orange or wine or yeah, fall colors are usually burnt orange, wine. Sometimes people use brown, people use green, but this year it was all brown for me, guys. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and decorated my entryway and then added the last piece to my living room, which is this garland right here. Absolutely love how everything came together in the living room. And of course, the next day, as you guys can see, my outfit, everything changed. The next day we went into the bedroom. I actually cleaned, like I did a thorough deep clean with the bedroom, but I wasn't just in the mood for like getting myself made up and everything. I was literally just on my shorts and and cropped up, you know, to clean the bed and all those things. So after that, I just went ahead and put on my makeup and went ahead to decorate the bedroom. Absolutely love how the whole thing, you know, came all together. As you guys can see, I decided to mix some browns and greens, you know, in the bedroom, kind of teal. As you guys can see, I have like some brown pillows and also some teal pillows, and then of course my gorgeous pumpkin accent, which is right there on my bed. Of course, everything is linked in my description box in case you guys are interested in anything seen here. But yeah, I went ahead and added my comforter. I absolutely love this comforter, guys. It's like when now that we are using it, I actually, you know, just bought it new for this video, but now that we are using it, I love the fact that it doesn't give that too much heat, you know, when you're under it. It's just perfect. You guys know with fall, the weather, it's not like the weather is in between cold and hot, so it makes it just perfect. I love to use my thicker blankets during the winter season, but for fall, I love to keep my blankets very mild, you know, just to cover up, but I don't want to be sweating, you know, under my comforter, which I absolutely love that one for. And then over here, I'm going ahead to decorate my console table. I added some flowers, and then here on my nightstand, I'm going to add a decorative book and also this beautiful glass pumpkin I picked up from Target. Absolutely love this. It comes in a set of 3, but I only picked up 2. I'm actually going to go back and pick up the 3rd one because it's so beautiful, guys. And then over here, to finish up the bedroom, I went ahead and added this blanket, and that's it for the bedroom. Let's go over to the bathroom. Did you guys notice that I used 3 different colors? So in the living room was brown, the bedroom was kind of green teal, and then the bathroom we are using, of course, the popular color when it comes to fall, which is burnt orange. So I'm going ahead to put on my my bath rug. I'm going to put these 2. They came actually as a set, you know, 2 in 1, something like that. So I'm going to put one right by my vanity and then one right by the shower. I love to have something like maybe a bed mat, a bed rug, you know, by the side of my shower. So once you step out from the shower, you have something to keep your feet warm, and also to kind of receive some of the water that might probably be on your body when you step out. And then over here, you guys know that once fall is here, even though it's not too hot, it's not too cold, but early in the morning it can be quite chilly. So I love to go ahead and put on my towel warmer because this, like, it keeps my towel very warm. So I love to go ahead and add and hubby's towel right on the towel warmer, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch it on. It works amazing. Like this right here, as you guys can see, I just went ahead and put it on. It keeps the towels really warm and toasty. And of course, everything you see in this bathroom is also linked in my description box. As you guys can see, I added this kind of burnt orange hand towel right on that ring right there, and these are brand new. I picked them up from Target. I have the trash can and also the toilet brush. And then over here, I saw this in the store, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's kind of it has 3 different compartments, but of course you can put in your Q-tip, your gauze, you can put in a lot of things inside here. If you don't want to use it in the bathroom, you can use it in your kitchen, maybe as a spice condiments, as a spice container, anything you want to use it for. But I just love the idea. Look at this. It comes in a stack of 3, which I absolutely love. So as you guys can see, I just used it to put in my bathroom essentials, and I absolutely loved how it looked, and I just added it over there.
Taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off.
Okay, so when I saw this 3-piece bathroom essential, guys, I couldn't just look past, because if you know me well, you know that anything that has gold, it's as if they did something with me and gold, guys, because I absolutely love anything that has, gold on it. So when I saw this 3-piece, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And of course, this, you can use it as maybe a hand wash. You can pour your hand soap in there, but I decided to add my mouthwash in there, and I just love how the whole thing looks. It also comes with a cup and a soap dish, and then the dispenser. But anyways, you guys, to finish up the bathroom, I went ahead and also added these vase. It's kind of a bottle, but it's a vase I picked up from Target. Absolutely, I just love the fact that it's kind of dark brown mixed with orange in the bathroom. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and put on the candle. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud?